Hi everybody, I'm going to show you today how we are going to convert where the washer and dryer was to the stove. So we have to remove the drain pipe and the water, the hot and cold water. We'll cap it off, and then I'll show you how to go outside and turn off the main to the house to be able to do this job. Okay, I'm going to show you guys the easy way, simple way of doing it. There's fancy tools that you can use and stuff, but just a regular wrench. You lift the valve cover, and then you go down in here. Hold on, let me get rid of some of this stuff. And this is very easy to find. Your meter is between the neighbor's house and your house. It's in between the two houses. So anyways, you go down in here, and there might be a frog or two or something in here, but anyway, you clean it up, and you find the valve, which is usually on this side, on the street side. So you take your wrench, and you put it in there, and you shut it off all the way to it's lined with the sidewalk. So you're going to take it and turn it. There we go. Now it's vertical. I used the crescent wrench. It's a little bit tougher with this, but you can, if you have two of these, you can take two of these, and it'll be easier. And when we turn it on, I'm going to show you guys how to do it with two of these. Make it a lot easier to leverage. There's a lot of different tools that you can use to do this. The simplest one, it's going to be one of these little propane tanks, and all it is you have your little propane tank that you can get from Home Depot, and one of these guys. And this is the simplest, easiest way to do it. And there's also this stuff, like oxygen, acetylene, and it's more for brazing and silver solder for like ACs and stuff. But we'll use this down the line in some other projects. But anyways, this is what we're going to use. It's just a simple propane, torch, flux, and some solder. And we're going to use this little guy here to clean the pipes, just so we can get good soldering connections. And we're also going to use this. All these tools, we'll put a link in the description of the tools that we use to get them at Home Depot or wherever you guys want to get them. The best way to do this is find your lowest drain, which it'll be for your water, the lowest part of the house that is lower than this, so that way you don't have a lot of trouble when you're soldering this back together. So we're gonna go outside, and I'll show you a little spigot I have outside that we can drain all the water from the lines here all the way out. Out here, this is lower than the pipes that we have inside. So you turn this on, and obviously some of the water is going to come out of here. Or drain as low as we can get it, so we can do a good soldering connection inside. All right, everybody, we're going to finish part 1 of this multi-series video. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and if you please give us a thumbs up, and have a good day.